Once there was a donkey in a village. A dog was a very close friend of the donkey. It was the dog's duty to guard the fields. One day, the dog took the donkey to the sugarcane field.
Donkey, this is the place I work.
Wonderful! What a mild breeze, lovely sight.
I take care of the fields well, and my master likes me very much.
Doggy, can you do me a favor?
What's that? Tell me first.
Can I?
Tell me.
Can I have some sugarcane?
The donkey showed its bright teeth.
Are you joking?
The donkey ran around the dog.
Stop!
Only a few, please.
All right, a few stems alone, not the cane.
Oh, thank you, dear.
The donkey kissed the dog and went to the fields.
Eat as much as you want, but leave the cane intact so that it can grow again.
I will take care. Don't worry.
The donkey found the sugarcane sweet and juicy. He began to visit the field every day. At first, he was careful not to eat up the sugarcane. After a few days, his desire got the better of him, and he began to feast on the cane. One day, the owner saw the destruction in the field and was very angry. He called the dog.
You stupid fellow! What are you doing here? I think you have been sleeping without guarding the field.
The dog began to shiver. The cold was worsening it.
See how it trembles. Isn't that a sure sign of guilt? What do you have to say for yourself?
But the dog's teeth were chattering and he could not speak. Thinking that his silence was an admission of guilt, the owner took him to be guilty and kicked him out of the house.
Get out of the house.
The dog came out and was in tears. Just then, the donkey saw the dog and was shocked to see him crying.
Hello, doggy. What happened? Stop crying.
My master kicked me out of the house as he found his field ravaged.
You could have put the blame on me and escaped, isn't it?
That's not fair.
Why? He cannot do anything to me as I am not working under him.
Why? But he will come and beat you.
So what? By the time he comes to beat me, I would have run off.
No, donkey. I was the one who gave permission to you to eat from the field. I cannot put the blame on you. I cannot see you getting hurt.
The donkey was very much moved by his friend's attitude. The donkey thought of a plan to help his friend. The next day, when the owner was in the field, the donkey entered the field and started chewing the sugarcane. On hearing the sound, the owner came running to the spot.
Hey, stupid donkey! Is it you who has been spoiling my crop? You deserve to be beaten black and blue.
The owner tried to hit the donkey with a stick, but the donkey escaped from the scene. The donkey went to the dog.
Dear friend, your master will come here to pick you.
How was that?
Wait and watch.
The owner then realized that his dog could not be blamed if some donkey strayed into the field. He went in search of the dog. And found him in the kennel. The owner patted the dog and took him home. The dog turned back to look at the donkey, and the donkey winked at him to show his happiness.